I look kind of cute, so let's go. This fried tomato with shrimp on top, and it is ridiculously good. Like your love is wicked. Friends come around. Like the chairs is really moving. Say your love is wicked, but the kisses when you get, don't you know it's wicked? He's literally massaging my back. Got my nephew a birthday gift. Listen, where we start making safe from now for that university education. We're going to get our nails done. We're going to. I really like the face scrub, so I'm using it. And I'm also going to try some of their other products. It's like an even tone essential starter kit. So I'm going to. Hello, guys. Period. We're gone. Wait for your call, cause your love is wicked. Can't sleep at all, cause your love is wicked. Pain in my heart, cause your love is. Okay, so hello guys. Today's Wednesday, June, and we're going to a museum. I look all cultural and stuff like that, but we're going to a museum, and then we're going to a rooftop movie experience. I was supposed to get some food to eat as well, but I look really cute, and I'll show you the inside if I can. I look all grown and mature. Pose like a trophy when Naomi's walking. She need. Beautiful museum. I won't declare myself a museum babe, but I love a good museum. For that pretty dark skin, pretty like Lupita. This is supposed to be like a forest. A girl likes you. That's pretty cool. Isn't that dope? It's like pins connecting. That's cool. We're in the museum and it's like some pins connecting above. That's pretty cool. Anyways, we're done. I'm done. I'm ready to watch the movie, but it doesn't start until like 8 something. So, hi guys, welcome back. I know I look way different. It's way later. If you just join in, like, I don't know, probably skip through the video. I am the Traveler on Instagram and on YouTube. I kind of look a mess. Let me shake out my hair a bit. Yeah, today was pretty awesome. What else? Tomorrow, we may go and watch Bad Boys. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do when they come for you? Anyways, we're probably gonna watch Bad Boys tomorrow evening. What else? What is going on? And I want to do a bit of a hopping, but just a minute of money. But going home in a few days, so I want to get a few stuff probably. So I might look around a mall a bit. I really don't need much. I don't really need nothing, to be honest. To be really honest. And when I go back home, I have decided. I've made the executive decision. We are going to start applying to jobs seriously, because I need a job. I need a main job. I need to be able to double my income right about now, because I got expenses and I want to save. I want to save because I got big dreams, big plans. This month, last month, I started the saving for put on liquor, ever make a muckle. But I'm putting on a little 2 cents here, a little 2 cent there, because I want to take a nice little trip. Nice little trip in October for my birthday. Yes, I want to take a little trip. So if I can save up the ticket money, I'll go far away. Of course, it definitely has to be a new country. Have to be. But if I work a real job, if I'm working a real job, how will I get time off? Because by October, my dog paid holiday I go kick in. But yeah. But I want to take a trip for my birthday. You know, I'm trying to make it a routine thing, starting from last year, to take a trip for my birthday. Period. We're gone. Bye. So we're out. It's evening time and we're out and we're going for dinner today. This is what I'm wearing. I'm going to try to get a better video of the fit. But we're going to a place called Samantha's for dinner. Let me say, look, I don't look that bad. I look kind of cute. So let's go. Alright, so we're going out tonight for dinner and I hope you enjoy dinner. Check out the outfit. Okay, let's go. Thank you.
What's this? A steak salad?
Yeah.
And then, of course, we have leftover cheese. And then we have mac and cheese and the shrimp. So I've been gone for too long, but I'm back. Yesterday we went to Samantha's for dinner and it was really good. I have been trying this thing here. They have like this fried tomato with shrimp on top and it is ridiculously good. Like yesterday they had like a garlicky type, buttery type shrimp, fried shrimp. It's breaded on top of the tomato and baby tomato. Baby, that was so good. That was really good. That's like an appetizer. I don't remember the name of it, but that was really, really good. The shrimp that I had, a tom yum garlic shrimp. It was like a kebab form. That was delicious as well. The mac and cheese, really, really cheesy. So there was that. My thing, I'm about to reheat some food and it's about to stop anytime now. Let me just make it. I'm sorry. And I also had a glass of cranberry. That was good. What else did I eat? Oh, the queso blanco. So chips and dip cheese. They had sorry. They put shrimp and beef, shrimp and steak in the cheese dip. That was chef kiss. Very yummy. I need to make some tea. But what else have I been doing? What else? Okay, so yesterday dinner at Samantha's was extremely good. I'm having a few pimple breakup because I've been drinking cereal. Cereal is and it's not good for me in no way, shape, or form. But I've been drinking a lot of cereal, so I've been getting a few breakouts. What else did I do? Yesterday was kind of chill. I didn't do anything. We're supposed to go to Memphis for a party, but we didn't make it to Memphis for the party. And we ended up going out for dinner instead. The day before that, what did we do? Nothing. I think we stayed home and chill. Yeah. Anyways, but the day before that was Wednesday. We went to the museum. Had a good time at the museum. I did some videos and stuff like that. I hope you enjoyed it. We went to the museum. We had a Wendy's for dinner. Didn't show that part. Wendy's, I had a loaded fries and of course nuggets. I love Wendy's nuggets. What else did I do? What else did we do on Wednesday? Wednesday. Oh, so we went to the museum and then we went and watched a rooftop movie and we had some Mexican food. We had some tacos as well. That was pretty good. The rooftop movie was kind of cool. Definitely should have brought a blanket because I got a bit chilled. But also that it was the first time I was watching that movie. It's very popular. It's a very popular American movie, like black American movie, love story. So we did that. TikTok a chance. I need to edit this YouTube video and I've been so delinquent about the Bali videos. And there's so many other videos I have, you know, that can go up. But I'm trying to get out the Bali video, the travel vlogs, before I do like my regular videos. But it's taking way too long and I need to just get it out there. Pray for me. Anyways, that's it for today. I probably have an orange as well. I'm looking extremely cute today. We're going to get our nails done. We're going to go to the salon to get our nails done. And we're going to get a mani and a pedi. And look how cute. I'm wearing Gap top, I believe. Zara. I think it's Zara shorts. Old Navy sandals, my toe wando. Yeah. Spa. And I have my tote bag. We're supposed to go to the movies after. Let's see.
Hi, where are you today?
Hello. I called earlier about a pedicure and a manicure. She was Alright, so we get to the pedicure and the massage thing is going in the back. Like the chair is really moving. Let me show you. It's literally massage in the back.
You want to the gel polish on your
Gel, yeah.
You come here before?
No, first time. It looks quite greasy right now, but I'm gonna get a hot towel. So this is the finished product and they look actually really good. They do. So we're going to watch Bad Boys. Got my toes done, my nails done. And we're going to watch Bad Boys. So we're at the cinema. We're going to watch Bad Boys, the movie. I'm breaking out all this. Oh, look at my nails. Got them done. But I'm breaking out all this because I've been drinking cereal. I have my blankie in hand. And we're ready to go and do that. We got popcorn.
You got 90 seconds, all right? Ginger ale and no chicken out here today. Mike.
Okay, so we're back from the movies. I went to the movies this evening and we watched Bad Boys. Listen, Will Smith production, top tier. Oh yes, did my nails. Will Smith production is top tier. Period. Like, listen, people want us to hate Will Smith, but his production was top tier. Really, really enjoyed it. Let me see if I can put my phone right here. So, really, really enjoyed the entire movie. Yeah, wow, that was exciting. That was pretty good. I heard that in Jamaica they have the 4D, 3D when it's a shake and all of that. Me, like, I wish I was able to experience that, but I don't have that here with the whole 3D, 4D where I am. So just watch it in regular cinema, which was pretty good. I enjoyed it regardless. What else? What's this happened today? I was trying to bring back my tripod because the tripod I bought at Best Buy is not working properly, but that didn't work out. They said that I have to reach out to the actual manufacturers, so I sent them an email, so I'm gonna see what happens there. I bought some stuff the other day, some face stuff. My friend used this and I really like it. It's Urban Skin RX. It's a daily exfoliating face wash plus scrub, and I really like it. It doesn't give me a breakout. The breakout that I'm experiencing right now is from drinking milk. yeah, your girl been drinking milk and cereal, but I really like the face scrub, so I'm using it. And I'm also going to try some of their other products. It's like an even tone essential starter kit, so I'm going to try it and see how it works. It comes with the retinol rapid repair plus dark spot treatment. It comes with a cleansing bar. It comes with even tone super glow serum, and it comes with complexion protection moisturizer sunscreen. So I'm gonna try the kit and see how it works. I also got my nephew a birthday gift. Listen, where we start making save from now for the university education, the college degree, the travel expenses. Yeah, so I bought him the cutest piggy bank. Yeah, I'm all for savings sometimes. Most of save for what you want in a life, period. So I bought my saving pan, and of course I'm gonna look for some other like a cute stuff to give him, like a band shoes and stuff like that. I plan to do some shopping this week, so I'm gonna have the money, but pray for me. His birthday is in like a week or so, so I'm pretty excited about that. We're going to Kingston for it. We want to take him to Hope Zoo and Devon House, of course, if we're in Kingston. And I feel that stuff. What else can I say? Oh, something that I need to talk about. Listen, first of all, this thing is going around on Instagram where people are comment on like them love language. Sorry, people commenting on their love languages, and everybody keep on put receiving gifts as number 5. I know so someone not lie. I know some of you guys are lying, because if that man buy you a bouquet of flowers, it's gonna make a day. It will make your day. If he gets you a gift that has been on your list forever, if he buys you that shoes that you want, that pair of shoes that you want, if he buys you a cake, Hershey's, some gummy bear, you're gonna be super excited. I know that a lot of you guys are lying. A lot of you girls are lying. Oh, gifts, I want to receive gifts. Call me a gift, because I love getting gifts, period. Anyways, I think this is going to be my last video on my phone, because I want to switch over to my camera starting Monday, because we're going to do some exploration tomorrow. We're supposed to go to Fairfield Bay, so I probably don't want to take my camera up there, but starting Monday, I think I'm going to be traveling around with my camera. Better quality videos. Alright, then bye.
Tears on my pillow 'cause your love is wicked. Cry me a river 'cause your love